Pasok. Dala-dala niyo ba yung cellphone?
Opo.
Okay. Paiwan mo muna sa villa, sa hallway ng villa.
Sige po.
Okay. Nahirapan ba kayo?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. So, hindi naman masyado. Napansin ba ng mga housemates nyo? Sigurado kayo. Ang galing. Napakahusay. Galing. Bale, lalabas muna tayo.
Pero ano nga kaya talaga ang pakay ng babaeng to sa kanila?
Para saan po to?
Trust kong kuya para sa inyo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Galing-galing nyo so meron kayong magandang reward.
Opo.
Okay? Kaya dito muna tayo. Lang ha?
Are you sure this is the right thing?
Well,
Hindi baka ko na-nervous yun. Baka hindi si Kuya nagbigay ng task.
hindi. Okay naman. Sinutatakan mo sila sa ating
Saan sila po ni Jenny? Kanina pa? Baka may balak ang ginawa.
Hanggang sa nakahalata ng sina Anne and Devon.
Where's the money? Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait. Where's Jenny and Christy? Jenny and Christy. Where's the money? Both? Yeah.
I told you, man, they're gonna steal money. Why don't you guys watch it? That's why she was looking for the freezers. What is it? I told you, son. It's gone. Cool. Money's gone. Should be asked for about. There's nothing I can do now but eat ice cream. I should ask them, but you should ask them. You can just hold on to it.
Tuloy nang dinakip si Jenny at Fritzy ng babaeng nagngangalang Madam X matapos nilang iabot ang pera sa kanya.
Why would they get the money? Papagalitan tayo, Kuya.
Ano to? Di alam ni Jenny at Fritzy na nasa isang bahagi lang sila ng apartment.
I told you it's backfire. We're not the ones stealing money. We gave them money and they kidnapped us. What am I going to tell them?
may nagsabi, di ba sinunod lang na?
Sino yan? Sino tumawag sa'yo?
Yung babae.
Babae?
Yung kanina.
Oh my God, you trusted her? I thought it was Kuya. Didn't you see her shade? It's so... I'm a criminal shade. I saw many kidnappers wearing those kind of shades.
Make this nice. Shut up! Shut up!
Dahil. Totoo pala yun. Big Six ba yan?
Guys are like totoo like good.
Yeah.
You guys are stupid. Big Six, is that Big Six?
Oh my God. I think we're in the airport. They're trying to send us to Brazil with soccer team.
Anong ginagawa? Bakit may
Hindi ko alam. Yeah.
My mom said I'm not stupid. Why you call me stupid? I was my mom.
Saan si Kuya?
Nasa puso mo.
Where's Big Brother? If Big Brother's here, he'd be like, I got your mana.
Yung lahat, confession room. Wait, stop.
Hello?
Hello po.
Kumusta naman kayo?
Hindi po mabuti.
Hindi po mabuti.
Opo.
Ano ba kayo? Ang galing-galing nyo nga. Nagawa niyo yung task.
Bakit po? My bad.
Ang problema kasi, yung task na yun, hindi talaga si Big Brother yung nagsabi. Ako nagsabi lang yun, di ba? Fritzy, sayang naman yung swak mo sa Big Six, no? Makasama ka pa rin kaya doon? Akala ko matalino ka. Yung tipong magtatanong-tanong ka pa. Magda-doubt ka, hindi. Ang galing mo. Palakpakan natin kayong dalawa. Grabe, ang husay-husay.
Ayun pa ako nung wala ng pang-load. Dami ko